Hello student, welcome to second lecture of the chemical thermodynamics. Today we are going to discuss some definitions. In that first is the system. System is a part of universe. Suppose this is our universe. This is the part called as system. So what is system? System is a part of universe selected or chosen for study of thermodynamic properties. System is a part of universe selected or chosen for study of thermodynamic properties. So what is meant by properties we discuss in the next lecture. So what is system? System is a part of universe selected or chosen for study of thermodynamic properties. सिस्टम ये यूनिवर्स का एक पार्ट है जो थर्मोडायनेमिक्स की स्टडी करने के लिए सिलेक्ट किया गया है. So suppose this all is the universe. So I select a duster. Duster is a system. So I observe toward the duster. So that's why I am the surrounding. So second definition is the surrounding. Second definition is the surrounding. See, the part of universe other than system. The part of universe other than system is called as surrounding. So now what is surrounding? Surrounding is the part of universe other than system is called as surrounding. Now third definition, boundary. The real or imaginary line. The real or imaginary. The real or imaginary line which separate system and surrounding. See, the real or imaginary line which separate the system and surrounding is called as boundary. Now, why it is called as real? Why it is called as imaginary? Suppose, see, this duster possesses some boundaries, some corner. These are the real. And if समझो छोटे बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, वो क्या करते हैं, दो पत्थर रखते हैं और बोलते हैं ये पत्थर के ऊपर से गया तो 6 रन, पत्थर के बाजू से गया तो 4 रन. मीन्स देखो यहाँ पे कुछ बाउंड्रीज फिक्स नहीं है. नाउ वी हैव अ स्काई. साइंटिस्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दिस स्काई इन 87 पार्ट्स विच इज कॉल्ड एज कॉन्स्टुलेशंस. तो उन्होंने ऐसे इमेजिनरी स्काई के पार्ट्स बनाए हैं. सो इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज रियल और इमेजिनरी. बट द बाउंड्री बिटवीन द इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान, दिस इज इमेजिनरी? नो, दिस इज अ real. But now in present days, the boundary in between the China and India day to day is going to change slightly. Sometimes Indian army goes there, sometimes Chinese army comes in India. So that's why the boundary gate changes. So that's why they are called as real or imaginary. And by combination of this system, surrounding and boundary, we define is as a universe. So whole universe, in that plant, animals, air, water, all are present. Out of these, one part is selected for study. That is called as system. And the remaining is considered as surrounding. See, another example, a cricket ground. From that cricket ground, the players, that pitch and the ground is considered as system. And the audience is seated outside the ground, okay, which observe the match. So they are called as surrounding. And this ground and this pavilion are both are separated by a real line, when it is called as boundary. Okay, see, system, surrounding, boundary and universe. Now we are going to study the types of system. Now we are going to study the types of system. See, Basically, we are going to discuss the types of system depending upon two ways. Number one, depending on phase. Depending upon phase, we have two types of system. Number one, homogeneous, and number two, heterogeneous. What is the first type of system? That is homogeneous, and number two, heterogeneous. The name itself indicates that homo means same, geneous means phase. Okay, what is homo? Same. What is geneous? Phase. More than one substance shows similar structure. If more than one substances mix together and shows similar phase, then it is called as homogeneous. A simple example, a sugar added in water. See, sugar is a solid, water is a liquid. When sugar dissolves in water, then we get the liquid. Means the sugar completely dissolves in water and one phase will occur, that is called as homogeneous. What is meant by homogeneous? Two or more substances combined together to form one phase, then it is called as homogeneous. Where more than one phase combined together each other, they are unable to form one phase, they possess more than one phase, then it is called as heterogeneous. That is when tea powder dissolve added to water. The tea powder does not dissolve in water before heating or after heating. So the solid and liquid both content are separate. So that's why they are considered as heterogeneous. These two types of system depending upon phase. Now depending upon the exchange of energy and matter. Depending upon exchange of energy and matter, we have three types of system: open system, closed system, isolated system. Depending upon the exchange of energy and matter, we have three types of system: open system, closed system, isolated system. Suppose a hot tea placed in a cup and saucer. What do you mean by cup? What is mean by saucer? Cup machine. Okay, that is cup and saucer. Hot tea placed in a cup. From that we observe the vapors comes out, as well as the cup get hot, and after few time the tea as well as cup take a normal temperature. Means when a vapors are passing out, it, that is matter is transfer, and if the tea get cooled down, that is heat is transfer. Means the system which can exchange both energy and matter. Heat means this is the energy. The system which can exchange both energy and matter with the surrounding, then it is called as open system. What is open system? The system in which both energy and matter exchange with the surrounding, then it is called as open system. Where the system which exchange only energy, not matter, then it is called as closed system. That is a hot tea placed in a particular steel vessels having a lid. Okay, in this hot tea is placed, which does not exchange the matter in the form of vapor, but can exchange the energy. Means after some time that hot tea get cooled down. Means a system which can exchange only energy, not matter, then it is called as closed system. Now consider a tea placed in a thermos. Thermos, that is a container with lid and a extra covering to the container. Then in that, not matter, not energy, neither energy nor matter exchange with the surrounding, then it is considered as an isolated system. See, the system which unable to exchange the energy and matter with the surrounding called as isolated system. The system which can exchange only energy, not matter with the surrounding, then it is called as closed system. The system which can exchange both energy and matter with the surrounding, then it is called as open system. देखो, an example in which a hot tea placed in an open cup, then it is called as open system. It is placed in a box with lid, then it is called as closed system. It is placed in a box with extra coating, then it is called as isolated system. See, in this lecture we discuss system. What is system? System is a part of universe selected for the study of thermodynamic properties. Now, the part of universe other than system is called as surrounding. Now, the system and surrounding are separated by real or imaginary line. The system and surrounding are separated by real or imaginary line called as boundary, and the combination of all these is called as universe. Now, today's second part, types of system. Basically, we have two types of system. One, depending on phase, and number two, depending upon the exchange of energy and matter. See, depending on phase, we have two types of system, homogeneous, heterogeneous. The system which present in only one phase called as homogeneous, and the system which present in more than one phase called as heterogeneous. Now, depending upon the exchange of energy and matter, we have three types of system, open system, closed system, isolated system. The system which can exchange both energy and matter with the surrounding called as open system, the system which exchange only energy called as closed, and the system which unable to exchange energy as well as matter, then it is called as isolated system. Okay, thank you.